Gimbals is a waterless scent diffuser for up to 1,000 square feet. As we're going to open up the box, the unit is a 2-fluid Nano technology. It comes nicely packaged with the instruction guide laid on top, a remote control, the USB-C cables, 5 essential oils, hardware, and a supplied brick. And the diffuser, nice and tall, window, open and close area, the scent area, the controls, and the USB-C and LED lights, and a spare cap. The brick USB-A to USB-C and a blue indicator. The remote control, please remove the plastic tab to operate the unit. The instruction guide goes over the remote control and the face of the unit in 2 languages, English and French, with troubleshoots. On the opposite sides, it shows pictures of the unit and specifications and how to set up. Unplugging the unit and turning on will require a USB-C power source. To set up with the scent, simply grab the top, rotate, and lift off. The unit has 2 gold pins for connection. Unscrew the diffuser cap, and we have here is a valve system that could be unplugged by pulling and changing out the whole system for each of the oils. Remember to pull the whole white mechanism off. The cap will separate in all pieces. When storing away, we have the spare cap that will close on to the diffuser container with a maximum line. We have scent oils of Dream, 24 Karat Gleam, Ocean, Maria, and Mistel. Setting up the unit and the controls are simply hitting the on button, hitting the blue button once. Turns on L. Hitting the L sets up for 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours. Changing the aroma from L to medium to high. With every couple of seconds, you'll see the aroma come out. It goes on and off. It's a very quiet machine. It throws aroma every few minutes. We have here in the center a light button. Now we could turn the light on, and we'll turn the light off so you can see it lit up by pressing off and on. Holding down the button, you can see the infrared light, and it doesn't have any dimmable controls. We can run the unit 24/7, 2 hours, 6 hours, or 12 hours. We have a low, medium, and high, and we can shut it off remotely and turn it on remotely. And it remembers the last settings. The remote control has a memory recall only and only without the light. We're in the off state. The center button turns the light on or off. We could turn the unit on. We're on medium, 2 hours. We could shut the unit off. Everything shuts down except for the blue standby light. The next time you turn the unit on, it's at 2 hours, medium. We have a 24-hour, 7 days, 2, 6, and 12 hour. And we could set this to low. We could place this anywhere in a large room, studio, RV, boat, camper, your office, bathroom, hallways, restaurants, and more. The oils are 100 ml. They're replaceable by turning the unit off, rotating, unlocking, and removing. You have a maximum so you can fill up and unscrew and change out the diffuser's stem by pulling and leaving it in the jar and putting the cap on for the next oil essentials you are after. Check further online about replacement bottles and oils. With the remote control, it has a removable 2025 battery, and it has a string area so you can hang up or put onto an area that has a hook or anywhere to hang. Your diffuser for kitchens, for bathrooms, plug into an outlet, for basements with a non-skid foot on the bottom to grip, with many different types of fragrances on the market, and remote control on a very quiet low dB with a night light. Place it in the office by the desk up to 1,000 square feet. This unit runs real quiet, made of metal with rubber feet on the bottom for non-skid, with manual controls on the front or remote control. Set it and forget it. Enjoy your fragrance diffuser. Thank you for viewing.